Services by way of training or coaching in recreational activities. Training or coaching in recreational activities relating to arts, culture. By an individual only qualify exemption with effect from 18th July 2022. Meaning thereby, earlier whoever may provided recreational activities in relation to arts or culture in the name of training or coaching qualify from exemption. For example, my dear friends, I am the Rafi Academy providing training or coaching in recreational activities relating to culture or arts. First of all, recreational activities means activity is in the nature of pastime, fun, joy, where I am providing training and coaching for painting purpose. Rafi Academy providing painting on summer occasion for 10 days. Rafi Academy being a sole proprietary concern, which is different from individual. Individual different, sole proprietary different. In the name of Rafi Academy, if I provide services not qualify from exemption from 18th July 2022. If Rafi Academy, instead of that, Mr. Rafi provide these services, being an individual, Rafi only providing services of painting or dancing, pastime, fun, joy on summer occasions, arts or culture activities, where I am providing training. In that case, that fees qualify from exemption irrespective of the value. If individual provides training or coaching in relation to recreational activities in relation to arts and culture. First of all, training and coaching, point number one. Second one, supplier should be individual. Third one, it should be recreational activities in relation to arts or culture. So three conditions. Supplier should be individual. It should be training and coaching supply in relation to recreational nature of arts or culture. Then only qualify for exemption. Further, services by way of training or coaching of services by way of training and coaching in sports by charitable entities. This point sometimes before I referred under the charitable sector. Services by way of training or coaching in sports by charitable entities registered under section 12AA or 12AB of the Income Tax Act qualify from exemption. Services by way of training or coaching in sports by charitable entities. For example, Charitable Trust is 12AB of the Income Tax Act registered person. Such a charitable trust, which is charitable institution providing, let us say, the what we can call the training and coaching in sports to Vivekananda College. They are providing services, sports training and coaching in relation to sports supplied by Hari Charitable Trust, which is section 12AB of the Income Tax Act. As a result, they charged 5 lakh rupees per month, absolutely free from GST. The benefit is available to coaching or training relating to all form of dance, music, painting, sculpture making, theatre and sports, etc. Meaning thereby arts and culture, which includes dance, music, painting, sculpture making, theatre and sports, etc. Now, I will put one more point here as an example, thereby you have clear cut visual on recreational nature. Sir, what happened, in my house, my son and daughter, so naughty guys, fighting with each other because of the summer occasion. They are throwing the cricket ball on the other. By mistakenly hit it to my 42 inches color television. Entire screen is broken like anything. Then I cannot scold them. If I scold them, madam will scold me also. Therefore, what I can do, how I can able to avoid this noise from the house. One fine day I am thinking and walking on my particular street. This goes to my house. While walking on the street, I noticed that one neighbor, his son around, let us say, 32 years old gentleman is dancing, and in front of them, some of them also dancing, small kids. I called him, what you are doing here? Sir, recreational nature of activity, sir, because these guys are making the noise in their houses, therefore their parents are sending here and making the fees to me also. Therefore, I am just giving the training and coaching like a pastime fun, not to participate in any tournament and all. See, how much you are charging? Sir, I am charging rupees 10,000 per kid. Hey, so please, you take admission of my particular two guys. Please give the admission to my two guys, my son and daughter. Today's stuff I'm sending. You take it. Like that, I'm also sending my children over that place, and that fellow for 2 hours, 3 hours, simply making the dancing fun, joy, like that, giving training. So, as a result, that individual, he received in that month itself, let us say, 26 lakh rupees received. Is liable to pay GST? Absolutely not. His qualifying exemption here. Services by way of training or coaching in recreational activities relating to arts or culture, which includes dance, which includes music, which includes painting, which includes sculpture making. Means what? Statue. I mean to say that a particular face has been shaping on a rock, qualify from exemption. Such a trainings are providing in relation to recreational nature. If it is a training and coaching supplied by a charitable institution in relation to sports, qualify exemption. But charitable institutions not allowed to provide recreational nature. Charitable institutions should provide training or coaching in sports by charitable institution, qualify from exemption. The charitable institution should be registered with the income tax under section 12A or 12AB of the income tax act. Then only qualify from exemption.